And we got a boil, folks. All right, we're trying to get better here. Got a new microphone. Got everything prepped. This is one that I do often. This is just going to be a pasta thrown together. We're going to do this protein rotini. We got just the basic marinara sauce. Of course, we're going to add to it. We're going to use a little oat milk to keep it dairy free for one of these children. We've got a package of mild Italian chicken sausage. I've already chopped up most of that. Green bell pepper. The white end of 5 green onions. A couple tablespoons of brown sugar. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. That's an important one. And then this stuff, I put in just about everything Italian-ish. It's the Shipshawana Mr. Hart's salt-free seasoning. It's kind of a souped-up Italian seasoning. Good stuff. We'll put some crushed red pepper in there, salt and pepper, and of course some garlic powder. You could go with a garlic paste or jarlic. This is easy. So, be back in just a minute because I gotta go pick up some children. I'm back. All right, we're gonna get just a splash of oil going, and we'll get these green onions moving, and the green pepper. We're going to try and move quick today. We're going to do some garlic bread. These are perfect for some garlic bread. So we've got about a half a tab of butter on each little slice. And then we're going to hit those with just a drizzle of olive oil on each of those. And then hit those with garlic powder. And then our Shipshawana salt-free seasoning, basically an Italian seasoning. Just light coverage over each one. Bada boom. That's better garlic bread than you're going to find anywhere else. We're not going to put that in quite yet. We are starting to soften up a little bit here. So, we're going to get our Italian sausage going. This was pretty good right here. This was a half-cut iced tea, but I ended up putting a strawberry mango water flavor packet in. Good choice. And we got a boil, folks. All right, turn that down to like medium-high. I think we can go ahead and throw our garlic bread in. So we're going in, I'm going to start with like 8 minutes at 400 and we'll check it out. Next step is get our marinara in there going. And we're going to put some oat milk in anyway. So just a little bit there. Give that a little bartender shimmy. Pour that in. And go ahead and put our fire roasted diced tomatoes in as well. And let that kind of start to marry up a little bit. Let's go ahead with everything else. We've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, because I like it to be a little bit sweet and a little bit spicy for this, especially with the Italian sausage. Now we're going in there with some crushed red pepper flake. Of course, some of our no salt seasoning, pretty liberal with that. A little more garlic. There's some garlic in that no salt seasoning. Oh, we like garlic. Some ground black pepper. And, of course, we get a little bit of salt. Probably good. And we mix. Try and keep everybody in the vehicle here. No better way to check your pasta than to burn your fingers and your tongue a little bit. We're there. We are there. We're going to get this in with our sauce. Get rid of that guy. Give this a little stir. Those pieces of pasta were just a little bit firm. So we're going to let this simmer for, I don't know, less than 5 minutes. And we'll let that go for a few minutes. Our bread's talking to us. Nice. 8 minutes is just about right. I think I've got it on like probably 410, 415, 8 minutes. They're nice and crunchy on the edges. A little bit of butter floating in there. We've got garlic bread. We've got our pasta coated, softened. We'll garnish it here with a little green onion. Just to make her look pretty. And we'll get a nice scoop here. Perfect little piece of bread. Give it a little test here. We need a good bite. There's a sausage, some pasta, a pepper, bit of mater in there. Maybe. There it is. It's a good one. It's an easy one. If you're not making this garlic bread at home, out of the baguettes, so good. Better than the frozen stuff for sure. See you next time.